Hey guys, Jason here at Drum Percussion Studio, and I just wanted to take a moment to make a short little video specifically for some of our new students that might be joining us. So, first thing, now that you guys are registered, can't wait to see you, but we got to make sure that you got the right gear, and that's something that we get a lot of questions about. When you check out our newsletter that comes out every Sunday, we have a section that says gear list, so you can look there if you're looking to buy anything now or in the future. But the only things that we ask for you to get started with, if you are in drum set experience, total percussion, or private lessons, we ask for you to get this thing right here. So this is a practice pad. This style is called a double-sided practice pad. Some are single, some are double. Doesn't really matter. You can get any brand you want. Doesn't matter. So you can find this one on the gear list. Order it from wherever you like. There might be some local stores. And then you need a pair of sticks. Again, there's tons to choose from. So these, I like these. These are Vic Firth 7A sticks. But again, whatever you like. Doesn't matter for right now. So those are the two primary tools that you're going to be using in class and at home. But there's a couple other things you need as well. You need a pencil. Okay, so make sure you got a pencil. And then over here, I've got a notebook. So just some kind of blank notebook that you can use just for your classes and your lessons here at the studio. So you can use anything you want, any size. I like this half-page size. We sell these if that's what you want, but anything you want. So we're going to use that a lot. And then another useful tool is some kind of binder with page protectors, because we're going to be passing out some handouts throughout the year. So that's the gear. So now let's talk about what I want you to do once you've got all that. First thing is, we just need to get used to the correct way to hold these things. So to hold the stick, what I want you to do is start without anything in your hand. And then if you look at your fingers, you've got all these little lines right there. That's the joints on our fingers, where our fingers bend. And so I want you to take a look at this first joint on your two pointer fingers, okay? That's where we're gonna rest the stick, kind of in that groove right there, okay? Doesn't stay by itself, so you need to use your thumb on the opposite side to hold it in place. Now these Vic Firth sticks, they're pretty cool because they happen to have a little flag, and that's the same place that I'm gonna hold my stick. If not, you wanna have about an inch sticking out at the end, okay? So the stick goes in the groove, hold it with our thumb. We're not done yet. We've gotta close these fingers all the way around. I do that in both of my hands. And then we're gonna make what we call a 90-degree or a right angle. This takes us to what we call our set position. So you're gonna hear that a lot all throughout the year. Notice at set position, my palms are facing down. Watch what happens if my angle is too small. My palms are now facing sideways. So that's why that 90-degree angle is really important. So now I'm at my set position. I'm frozen like a statue. Sticks are flat, parallel to the drum. Fingers are all wrapped around. Palms are facing down. So that covers the portion that we call grip. The next thing is the stroke. So the stroke is how we actually move our stick. So I start at my set position. I'm going to keep my forearms, that's these guys over here, still. Keep them frozen like a statue, but my wrist should be loose and relaxed. And the stroke is going to be a lot like the way that you bounce a basketball. We don't push it down with a lot of force. We bounce it. So we're going to bounce the stick. All right, set position, 90-degree angle, and I'm going to bounce my stick up and down. Notice that when one hand is playing, the other hand is frozen at set position. That way it's always set when it's time to play. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is a really quick exercise. This is going to help us with putting all of that together. It's what we call our technique. So it has to do with our grip, our stroke, all of that stuff. So I'm going to play 8 times with both hands together, 8 times on my right, 8 on my left, and then 8 times alternating. So why don't you go ahead, grab your sticks, try this with me. Set position. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's that. See you next time. Bye.